Let's do this. Yeah, you see that? I just noticed that. What do you think so far? How you feeling? It's bright, it's hot.
Good, good, I like it. I
Yeah?
want to see the final,
Yeah.
the final cut.
Yeah, for real. Too good? Should be good.
Work.
What about the truck? How do you like the truck
A lot
so
of
far?
back pain. I love the truck. I
Little-
love it, man.
Hey, we could shoot the whole thing here, man, in the street.
Long road over here we found next to this beautiful highway on the side, but we're gonna launch the drone. We're gonna launch the drone and do a little bit of footage with Adans kind of riding from and to the building over there, so I think it'll work. It's been an interesting trip so far. They've got David in the back shooting some video. Focused. But yeah, we've been at it for a couple hours now, I would say. Go to different locations, trying different scenes. Next step we're gonna do is head downtown, where I've got like this picture in my head of like one of those car commercials that's just like strolling slow motion through downtown. So we're gonna try to replicate that, get some pictures too as well. It's gonna be interesting because it's downtown. There's not like a whole lot of places to park, so we're literally gonna have to backpack in. We'll have to find somewhere close to the area, the corner that we're gonna work, and he's just gonna have to keep making loops in those corners, and let's get into the filming as much as we can.
train. Paul's got the camera.
We got to deal with the train and the people walking through.
Right.
We just get them out of our shot.
Are you doing picture or video right here?
Both.
Both? Okay.
Both.
Awesome. Yeah, right? One burn is like pretty good.
In the corner, huh?
Yeah, because that has the light.
No.
Big building.
He's like a, what did it make shorter than a 20? Like a 15 or a 14? Or
Make some 12s.
10, 12?
Yeah, 10, 12s.
12 would get it.
Ooh, the vlog camera's got her. Vlog camera's got her figured out.
Oh my gosh, just about. Okay.
Get any?
Or still got like that foaminess on it. I'm gonna give it one pass with the car.